Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we are delving a cool new chatbot called Claude AI. Similar to ChatGPT 3.5 and closely resembling ChatGPT 4, Claude AI boasts an incredible feature. It's entirely free setting to setting it apart from the GPT-4 pricing model. Let's get started by setting up an account. I shall using my Gmail, but you can use your preferred email to create your account. Once the setup is complete, your chatbot is primed and ready to go. So what's striking about Claude AI is its ability to process various files types, including text files and PDFs up to 10 MB each, and you can load up to 5 of them at once. This surpasses GPT 3.5's capabilities. It can summarize, translate, and even write code just like GPT. Now, let's put Claude AI to the test with a prompt. Feel free to experiment along. I am creating a proposal here that we shall later compare with GPT's results. So look at that. The bot graphs are detailed and professional proposal, even highlighting the profile's key points based on just one prompt line. Let's copy the same prompt and see what GPT generates. Surprisingly, ChatGPT produces almost an identical result to Claude AI. Next, I'm curious about the Claude AI's knowledge. I shall inquire about its familiarity with the current information through prompt. And there you can see it responds, indicating it has the knowledge of up to current date. In contrast, the free version of GPT consistently mentions its data being last updated in September 2021. Okay, so now let's request a Python chatbot code. Claude AI promptly provides the code just as ChatGPT does. And the generated results are remarkably similar. As a final test, I have uploaded a lengthy transcript text file to Claude AI, asking it to summarize the content. The result is a concise summary, showcasing its ability to handle even extensive X. In comparison, GPT struggles with such lengthy inputs. Let's wrap up today's tutorial. Feel free to test Claude AI, your new partner in AI-powered interactions. Until next time, I will see you in the next video.